Good morning, guys. 9 a.m. here. So, oh, here's my brother in my room. Ronnie, say hi. Meow. He wants to say meow all the time because he thinks he's a kitty that I want. So, his name is Ronnie, and I'm America. As you can see, I'm a fan of Descendants. So yeah. So my brother is 3 years old. He's almost gonna be 4. And May 21. And I'm in December 3rd. So I'm gonna turn 9. No, you're 4. You're almost 4.
Almost gonna be 5 because
He's actually 3. So he's almost 4. So right now I'm gonna bring my mini backpack that I love so much. So you really have to bring some Sharpies of own. Oh yeah, and I forgot. We're going to Universal. Sometimes you could bring Sharpies because they're gonna sign it. Like once we went to Universal Studios and they signed it. Yeah, they signed it. Lotto. I don't know how to say it. So many. So I'm gonna bring my squishy, and I'm selling slime too. I'm selling slime. And and here's part. So some of them cost 1, some of them cost 5, some of them cost $4, and some of them cost slime. So this one cost $1. I don't know what their name is. My cousin says that I could sell them. I'm fine because she's grounded. And this one cost 4, and this one cost 4. Even you could keep this too. It's a pencil box. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot about the lollipops and teddy bear. Just cost $1. Here it is. Lollipops, $1. Teddy bear, $1. It's just a teddy bear. And we have Valentine's lollipops. So it's super loud when you play it. And I have my little bags. Let me show you them. It's just, they're not that. They're bad. I just don't have them good. I want to make some bags. Yeah. My bed is clean. Yeah. So yeah. Even we're selling lemonade, but the lemonade is super free. Look, kids love it. At 4 p.m. So yeah. Oh yeah, we're talking Universal Studios, and we're gonna watch a movie at Universal. So go to part 2 and part 3. Bye, guys. Run it. Say bye. Bye. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you do. Okay, bye. And remember, once again, see part 1. This is part 1. Now see part 2 and part 3. Please see them. Bye.